MetExam provides fantastic study material in various formats: PDFs, EPUB, and paperbacks. Whether you prefer digital or printed resources, we've got you covered. Introducing our comprehensive study book on ethics and professional conduct. This essential resource covers critical areas, including essential principles, trust, fair conduct, dispute resolution, handling client funds, business ethics, and managing conflicts and confidentiality. Discover our in-depth study book on the legal system in England and Wales. Essential for SQE1 candidates, it covers the common law framework, statutory interpretation, judicial system, appeals, and legal precedent. Build a solid foundation for your exam and future career with this detailed resource. Explore our study book on legal services. Gain insights into SRA regulations, financing legal services, the Equality Act 2010, financial crime prevention, and UK financial regulation. Equip yourself with essential knowledge for your legal career. Discover our study book on constitutional and administrative law, designed for SQE1 candidates. Gain in-depth knowledge of the UK's constitutional framework, including the Constitution, British Constitution characteristics, Parliament's functions, monarchical power, and government oversight. Additional topics cover devolution, judicial oversight, the Human Rights Act, public order law, and the EU's position in the UK framework. Explore our essential study book on contract law. Focused on practical applications and real-world scenarios, it ensures a step-by-step learning process. Key chapters cover contract formation, agreement, legal intent and capacity, consideration, privity, contract terms, exclusion clauses, vitiating factors, misrepresentation, termination, and remedies for breach, including financial compensation. Unlock our essential study book on property practice law. Key chapters cover property transactions, conveyancing steps, examining titles, pre-contract searches, town and country planning, financing purchases, exchange of contracts, completion stages, post-completion duties, handling delays, and protecting tenancy rights. We are introducing our detailed study book on solicitors' accounts. This material covers the intricacies of legal financial transactions, from the basics of legal accounting to handling VAT, mixed funds, and client deposits. Key chapters include an introduction to legal accounting principles, handling mixed funds, managing VAT, deposits, petty cash and interest, and handling client and third-party funds. Essential study book on wills and the administration of estates covers the creation and execution of wills and estate administration in the UK. Key chapters include will execution, alterations and revocation, interstate succession, and asset transfer. Learn about estate administration roles, grants of representation, and personal representative duties. Additional topics cover asset collection, estate distribution, and statutory claims. Trust Law Study Book breaks down complex concepts into easy-to-understand sections, using real-life examples to help you prepare for a legal career. Key chapters include an overview of trust law, formalization of express private trusts, resulting trusts, and family residence trust arrangements. It also covers charitable and non-charitable purpose trusts, trusteeship management, trustees' roles and responsibilities, assessing breach of trust, and the principles of equitable remedies. Explore our essential study book on tax law. Key chapters include income tax, inheritance tax, taxation of estates in administration, and capital gains tax. You'll also learn about business taxation, corporation tax, value-added tax, and stamp duty land tax. Discover our essential study book on criminal law. This guide is crucial for SQE1 candidates. It thoroughly explains criminal law principles and applications. Key chapters include criminal offences, legal defences, and the structure of criminal trials. You'll also learn about criminal procedure, the roles of prosecution and defense, sentencing guidelines, and principles of evidence. Tort Law Study Book, providing a thorough understanding of tort law principles and applications. Key chapters include intentional torts, negligence, and financial harm. You'll also learn about psychiatric injury, employer liability, and indirect responsibility. Additional topics cover injury and fatality claims, premises liability, defective products, statutory duties, nuisance, and defamation. Criminal Practice Study Book is crucial for SQE 1 and a successful legal career. Key chapters include the framework of criminal justice, legal counsel at the police station, and bail applications in court. You'll also learn about initial appearances in magistrates' court, plea before venue procedures, and pre-trial organization. Additional topics cover evidence admissibility, trial procedures, sentencing frameworks, appeal procedures, and the judicial process for minors. Discover our essential study book on dispute resolution. It covers dispute resolution techniques, pre-litigation factors, initiating legal actions, delivering documents, and handling claims. Additional topics include statements of the case, judicial oversight, temporary requests, and information sharing. Further chapters cover witness testimony, expert roles, trial conduct, appeals, litigation costs, Part 36 proposals, and executing judgments. Introducing our fundamental study book on business law and practice. It covers business entities, their formation, management, and legal implications. Key chapters include selecting business entities, partnerships, company formation, corporate leadership, and membership. Additional topics cover joint decision-making, finance strategies, record-keeping, filing, disclosure, and insolvency. Master business law and practice with this guide. Unlock our essential study book on land law for the SQE 1 exam. Key chapters include land law fundamentals, land estates and interests, unregistered land titles, the land title registration system, co-ownership, trusts, and leases. Additional topics cover easements, freehold covenants, and mortgages.